In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become affiliate on Skyscanner. We'll start on the Skyscanner Partners website. At the top of the page, open the Affiliates section, then choose Affiliate Program. This page outlines how the partnership works and who it's for. When you're ready, click Apply Now. You'll be redirected to Impact.com, the platform Skyscanner uses to manage applications and tracking. Click Sign Up to begin. Before creating your account, carefully review the payout details and the general terms. Look for how commissions are calculated, any approval criteria, cookie windows, prohibited traffic types, and payment timing. It's worth understanding these now so you can align your promotional plan from day one. When you're satisfied, confirm that you've read and accepted Skyscanner's offer, then continue. Next, choose how you want to sign up. You can use an email-based account or a provider like Google. In this walkthrough, select Google, pick your account, and continue to authorize access. If you prefer not to use a social login, select the standard email option. The rest of the flow is very similar. Now complete your profile. Enter your first name and last name, and use a business email you check frequently since approvals and alerts will come there. Add a mobile number that can receive verification messages. You'll also see an optional checkbox to receive partnership news from Impact.com. Opt in only if those updates are useful to you. When everything looks correct, click Get Started. Impact.com will send a verification code to your email. Check your inbox and your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it right away. Paste the code into the verification field and click Verify to confirm your account. With your email verified, you'll answer a few onboarding questions. First, categorize your business so Skyscanner understands your model. Choose the option that most accurately reflects how you operate. Continue, then select the methods you use to promote offers. Pick the channels you actively use today. Accuracy here helps ensure you receive suitable guidance and resources. That's the full application flow. After you submit these details, your request to join the Skyscanner affiliate program is recorded in Impact.com. Keep an eye on your email for updates about your status. Once approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard, tracking links, and tools along with program guidelines. From there, integrate your links into your site, content, or campaigns and begin earning according to the payout structure you reviewed.